Welcome to MBBS Council. We provide personalized counseling guidance for parents and students who are looking MBBS, MD, MS admission, especially in Maharashtra State. Maharashtra State Counseling Authority (SETCEL) released a counseling schedule for 2022 NEET UG Round 1. Before moving into this video, I request you to subscribe our channel to get the current counseling updates. Let's see the notifications one by one. Maharashtra State UG Round 1 online application registration starts at 17th October and the last date for filling up the form is 22nd October. Candidates can make the payment of registration fees through online on the same day of 17th October and the last date is 23rd October. These are all the non-refundable application fees for applying Maharashtra State Counseling. Rupees 1000 for applying Maharashtra State Quota. This is only for the domicile candidates. Rupees 5000 for applying Maharashtra State Institutional Quota. Anyone can apply for this seat if the tuition fees is okay for you. Rupees 6000 for applying both Maharashtra State Quota and Institutional Quota. MBBS Council application sends you all counseling current events at daily manner with counseling tips and tricks for helping parents and students. You can find it in the MBBS Council Updates menu. Download MBBS Council app now. Installation link is given in the description below. Note: State SETCEL allows single registration for applying MBBS course in all government aided, corporation, private unaided and minority institutions for both state quota and institutional quota. If candidate is not filling up the online registration form, they shall not be considered for medical admissions here at the Maharashtra. Want to learn all about the Maharashtra State Counseling? Check out the e-book now. Link is given in the description below. Uploading colored scanned copy of original documents on the portal from 17th October and the last date for uploading is 24th October. Maharashtra State UG Round 1 seat matrix will be released on 20th October. Online choice filling starts on 21st October and the last date is 27th October for submitting the preference form. Provisional merit list and the registered candidate list will be released on 25th October after 5:30 p.m. Declaration of Centralized Admission Process Round 1 selection list will be released on 28th October. Candidates need to report the allotted college for physical joining and fill up the status retention form from 29th October and the last date is 4th November. MBBS Council App provides All India Quota, State Quota, Management Quota, Open Quota, NRI Quota, cutoff for more than 20 plus states and college details that include important factors to choose a best medical college such as number of MBBS seats, PG courses, tuition fees, hostel fees and other charges, etc. You may ask why you need to install the MBBS Council app. It helps you avoid rush and avoid mistakes while the time of choice filling of yours. A simple mistake could lead you to miss a good medical college if you take a wrong decision, or you may lose your money, time and effort. Take expert guidance to avoid all these problems and importantly to have a peace of mind till you get the best allotment based on the merit and the preference of yours. To clarify all your counseling related doubts and to get more information about the personalized counseling, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBS Council app. Your assigned counselor waits for you on the other side. If you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.